Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious flan in your microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients like eggs, milk, and sugar. The initial step is creating that beautiful caramel base. You'll melt about 1/4 cup of sugar in a microwave-safe dish for approximately 2 minutes until it's a rich amber. Carefully swirl this hot caramel to evenly coat the bottom of your flan mold. This sets the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard that makes flan so irresistible. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is thoroughly combined. For an extra smooth texture, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Then, carefully pour your perfectly smooth custard over the now cooled caramel layer in your microwave-safe mold. We are almost ready for the microwave. Now for the magic in the microwave. Loosely cover your flan mold with plastic wrap or a microwave-safe lid. Place it in the microwave and cook on medium power for about 5 to 8 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so start checking around the 5-minute mark. Your flan is perfectly cooked when the edges appear set, but the very center still has a slight, gentle wobble. This indicates a creamy, not overcooked texture. The final steps are all about patience for perfection. First, let your freshly microwaved flan cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set fully and develop its rich flavors. When you're ready to serve, simply run a knife around the edge, then carefully invert the flan onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade, microwave-made flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.